Meet Nemo, a 1979 Ford F-150 Lariat four-wheel drive finished in stunning coral orange and pearl white. And after 5 years of dedication, this isn't just a restored truck, it's a dream brought to life. As a proud member of the Las Faringas Truck Club, Robert wanted something special, something that honored classic Ford heritage while bringing modern performance and craftsmanship along for the ride. And wow, did he deliver. The original Ford frame and body lines remain, keeping that unmistakable 70s truck attitude alive. But the custom-mixed coral orange paint laid down by Jesus in Hollister, California, takes everything to another level. Matched with crisp pearl white accents, this truck absolutely glows in the sunlight. Pop the hood and you'll find old-school American muscle done exactly right. A rebuilt Ford 351 V8, freshened up by Proficient Auto Care in Santa Clara, breezed through an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The custom 3-inch dual exhaust lets that V8 sing, and when Robert wants to make an entrance, electric cutouts unleash the full soundtrack. Sometimes louder really is better. Even better, Robert stayed true to the truck's roots. The original rebuilt transmission, drivetrain, and ignition system remain, keeping the soul of Nemo exactly where it belongs. Stopping power comes from Wilwood brakes paired with Hydrotech Assist and drilled and slotted rotors on all 4 corners. Because a truck this clean deserves to stop just as well as it goes. Then there's the stance. Rancho and Fox suspension components provide a 6-inch lift, making room for massive 37 by 13.5 by 20-inch BFGoodrich Mud-Terrain tires. Wrapped around special order 3-piece KMC wheels, the truck has that perfect combination of classic style and modern aggression, and the details just keep coming. Fox 2.0 shocks, worn locking hubs, a painless wiring harness, dual KC highlights daylighters mounted to a Go Rhino chrome roll bar, amp research power steps, custom painted axles. Everything was chosen with purpose. Step inside and the craftsmanship continues. Freddie's upholstery wrapped the original bench seat in black leather and cloth, while matching materials flow across the headliner, sun visors and dash. Fat Fender Garage custom door panels, Dakota Digital gauges, and a hidden Alpine head unit feed a complete JL audio sound system that sounds just as impressive as the truck looks. Tilt steering, faux wood trim, dual XD power batteries, LED lighting, and ceramic coating inside, outside, and everywhere in between. In fact, one of the most impressive parts of Nemo is the one most people never see: the undercarriage. Fully painted, ceramic coated, detailed to the same level as the body. It's the kind of attention to detail that separates a nice truck from a world-class build. That dedication already earned Nemo the Best Hauler Award at a recent Good Guys event. Of course, the journey wasn't perfect. Robert says the biggest challenge was simply finding shops that would actually finish the work. Eventually, he found the right people, fixed the shortcuts left behind, and made sure every single detail met his standards. His advice? Find a mechanic you can trust. And his biggest lesson? Building your dream truck is never as easy as it looks. Nemo may not have logged thousands of trail miles yet, but it's ready. Ready to cruise, ready to show, ready to leave tracks, turn heads, and remind everyone why classic Ford trucks will never go out of style.